Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can print messages and emails on Yahoo Mail. So let us get started. So let's assume you would like to have an email printed and, for example, on A4 paper. First step, guys, make sure that your printer is connected with your computer or your device, of course. After that, head over to Yahoo Mail, log into your account, and simply right-click into the given email here in your inbox you would like to print. So let me go with, I don't know, that one here, for example. And after that, select print message from the drop-down menu. That is going to open up that setup here, guys. So here to the left, you will see a preview and also the amount of pages. Then you may select the number of pages, like even pages only, odd pages. You may also save it as a PDF if you like. Change or adjust the layout from portrait to landscape, go into more settings and select the paper size, like A4, letter, A5, and so on and so forth. Decide how many pages per sheet you would like to print, like 2 for example. We see the preview here. Let me just switch to landscape. And after that, click on save here to save your email in PDF format, just like that. Open it as a PDF and print it through your PDF editor, like for example Adobe or something like that, by clicking on that button here. And that's it, guys. That's how it works in practice. Confirm the printing by clicking on that button here, or just here. Go through that setup again here via Adobe, for example, Acrobat Reader. And that's it, guys. That's how it works in practice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.